So we're seeing multiple offers again coming back on the market, even on homes that have been sitting on the market for a really long time. And if you're thinking about buying a home this year, now is the time to get started before the spring market hits and all of the buyers rush back in to buy. Now, I get the question a lot is, when is the perfect time to buy? So the perfect time to buy is when you are ready, when you are financially stable, when you're good with your credit score, when you have money saved for down payment. And don't get too tied up on that, because like if your score is not perfect, there's programs that will accept a lower credit score, or I can help you walk through. I'll do a credit analysis with you and I'll let you know what you can pay down, pay off, or what we can omit to raise your credit score. Also, there is down payment assistance programs. There's grants that you can use towards down payment and closing costs. So there's ways that you can do it. We just got to talk about it, okay? Call me, tell me your situation, and I will walk you through it.